One of the most tightly held secrets in all technology is how the Google search ranking algorithm actually works. If the secret ever got out, Google would implode. Recently, Google accidentally pushed thousands of documents to GitHub, of all places, a website owned by their Bing rival, Microsoft, that provides an unprecedented look behind the curtain of Google search. As a bit of an SEO guru myself, I was left shocked and utterly devastated when I found out that Google's not been totally honest about the algorithm. Keep watching. Today you'll find out if Google's been living up to its credo of "Don't be evil." When Google was founded in the late 90s by Larry and Sergey at Stanford, it was all based on the idea that a search engine could be handled entirely with an algorithm. A radical idea at the time that differed from search engines like Ask Jeeves and Yahoo, which relied on unscalable human curation. They wrote a legendary paper called The Anatomy of a Large-Scale Hypertextual Web Search Engine that detailed something called the PageRank algorithm. Every web page has an initial rank, and that ranking grows and improves based on the number of high-quality incoming backlinks. This worked pretty well at first, but eventually SEO gurus realized that all you had to do was spam a bunch of backlinks with the anchor text of your keyword to dominate the extremely valuable top search result placement. However, over the years, the algorithm has become more complex, and nowadays you actually have to make really good content to get the top ranking. But that's too hard, and SEO gurus still need to put food on their families. Sadly, many of the statements Google's made about how the algorithm works appear to be lies. It's important to point out that Google has confirmed that these documents are real, but we still don't really know exactly how to use these documents to rank any website. So we worked day and night in the past 2 months and transformed these 14,000 documents into a secret AI-based software. If you too are willing to profit from the hottest and widely untapped world of ranking any website without manually ranking a single website yourself, without paying huge to expensive SEO professionals, without trying to decode the ever-complicated search engine policies, without learning complex website ranking parameters, without paying huge every month for third-party platforms, and without chasing freelancers who don't give results even after full settlement, you're in for a great surprise today. Presenting RankLeak, world's first app that secretly forces Google to rank any website automatically by unlocking Google's secret 14,000 API leak points on any website in just 3 steps at an unbeatable low one-time price. Just follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, log in. Number 2, reveal. Number 3, profit. And that's it. You're all set to make profits from this lucrative website ranking industry with no initial investment or third-party dependency. Here are some amazing benefits you get with RankLeak. World's first app unlocks Google's 14,000 leak points and literally forces it to rank any website high. Now become Google's engineer and discover how search engine giants are looking at your website's hidden factors. Simplify Google's secret ranking parameters and say goodbye to getting low ranks forever. Get a complete overview into the inner workings of Google's search engine. Provide red-hot website ranking services to hungry audience globally in 3 clicks. Easily tap into 2 billion website owners looking to boost website ranks without paying much. Discover latest content marketing strategies that deliver unmatched value while complying with search engine algos. Brand new patent-pending technology reveals hidden factors that hold your website back from ranking high. Understand the mechanisms behind Google's ranking systems and take a leaf out of this. Stop paying huge monthly to SEO professionals and third parties once and for all. Proprietary tech helps join thousands of marketers who are looking to use this and get their websites ranked. 0 installation hassles, 0 configuration, and 0 prior tech skills needed. 100% easy-to-use, newbie-friendly technology that's never seen before. And to sweeten the deal, we're also offering tons of premium bonuses that are available only during the special launch deal. We're confident that this much value's never been offered at such a low price, and if you act now, you'll also receive our limited-time commercial license. That means you can use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. Make it fast, as we need to close this before Google discovers and forces us to shut our mouth. Once you close this page, this special deal will be a goner. To remove all risks, your purchase is fully covered by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. But you need to hurry. We need to take it down shortly. RankLeak will be hidden from the web forever. Click on the button below this video to get RankLeak for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.